Today I have another sub 250 craft, but I'm not sure it's going to be entered into the trainer competition that I'm running for myself, but it certainly looks like a lot of fun. The F22 Raptor, this is the XK models version of it, designated the A180. The original is obviously a stealthy design, and one of the stealth features of it is that the tail planes are in the same plane as the main wing, which effectively front on hides the tail plane, which reduces its overall radar signature. One of XK Model's own innovations is a nice flexible soft nose there to absorb impact. Clearly they had me in mind when they designed that particular feature. It has 6-axis gyro control, which you can switch on and off, and dual rates I believe. However, I didn't get a manual with this particular model, nothing in the box, so I'm going to have to work that out for myself. It runs on a 2-cell 300 mAh battery, but it features a lovely little brushless motor there, and that's an 1106 I believe. I think it's the same one that they use in the de Havilland Beaver, which I reviewed previously. Without further ado then, let's get the little guy into the air and see how it performs. First flight then of the XK Model's A180 or the F22 Raptor. With this, the stabilization doesn't activate until the motor is on, so let's see how we get on. Not very good. We need a bit more runway. And she's away this time. Oh, very nice. Certainly looks good in the air. It's pretty much just bank and yank. There's no yaw control on it, so it is what it is. So I believe this is just in the low rates mode. Let's take her up a little bit higher. So now let's switch this button here. So I think that's the dual rates button. It's not falling out the sky, so it can't be the 3D. Yes, definitely a little bit more responsive now. Maybe a bit too much for me at the moment. Let's go up again. Press the other button. Yep, that's definitely the 3D. So the top shoulder buttons, the one on the left is for the dual rates, and the one on the right is for 6-axis or 3D mode. And as the reports say, in 3D mode it's quite a handful, especially for a novice like myself. So I'm loving this, it's a great toy. Trainer, definitely not. I think you'd need some experience before you get onto this guy. He's away. testing its crash resistance there. Bit of a dusty nose, but otherwise unscathed.
What have you got on yours, Tom? On this one? 6.4.
There we have it then, first successful flight of the A180 or the F22 Raptor. I and my colleagues were really impressed with the little guy. In high rates mode, highly manoeuvrable. The 3D mode certainly beyond me at this point in time. Another winner for sure.